Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi Chaudhary. I brought a speech for students on the occasion of National Nutrition Week. Every time we eat or drink, we are either feeding disease or fighting it. Eating a poor quality diet can cause digestive and other health issues, whereas taking healthy diet manage a healthy body weight and better immune system. We are celebrating National Nutrition Week from 1st September 2020. The theme for National Nutrition Week 2020 is Eating Right Bite by Bite. Children are considered to be a productive part of society. The problem of malnutrition among the children of India is so high that it has created a problem for the nation. Not only children, women also should take proper nutrition as they are the base and founding elements of the society. National Nutrition Week is observed in 1882 by the Food and Nutrition Board to make people about the importance of proper nutrition and healthy diet. In India, nearly half of the population is malnourished because of poverty, disease and environment. This week ensures that we all having a proper amount of nutrition throughout the day to maintain good health. Throughout the week, NGOs and the government run campaigns on health and nutrition in remote areas of the country. We should take good nutrition, must consume milk, dairy products and green vegetables to maintain good health. So let's take a pledge to prevent undernourished from our country for India's overall development. Thank you.